Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last weekend, I was lucky enough to be in Portugal for a regional English language teaching conference there, up in the mountain town of Ceia, organised by the API organisation. And as always, when I'm in Portugal, I was struck by the high level of English that most people around speak. The teachers themselves speak amazing English. Lots of people in the street and the bars and the restaurants also speak great English. And on the drive up to Ceia from Porto, which I flew into, I was given a lift by a lovely guy called Nick Hurst. And we were chatting, among other things, about the level of English in Portugal. And he said that he thinks one of the main reasons why people speak such good English is because of exposure from a very young age. Unlike neighbouring Spain, where everything's dubbed into Spanish, in Portugal, on TV, if you're watching an English or an American film, you hear it in English. It isn't dubbed. He then added, sadly though, they've suddenly started dubbing Cartoon Network, which is a bit of a bummer, to be honest. If you describe something as being a bummer or a bit of a bummer or a real bummer, you basically mean it's annoying and disappointing. And it's often used as a response to something other people say. So a friend of yours might suddenly say, "Oh God, I've just realised I've left my house keys back in the flat." "Oh no, bummer, what are you gonna do?" "Oh, I'm really sorry to let you know at such late notice, but I can't make it to the party tomorrow." "Oh man, bummer, how come?" But we also use it sometimes just to say a situation that we've experienced ourselves was annoying and disappointing. So maybe you get to the airport and you find that your flight's delayed, and later you're telling your friends, "Oh man, I had to wait 12 hours at the airport, which was a real bummer." If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, as always, we'd love to see examples of how you might use bummer.